You see Alkaline on the wall, on the pussy wall. We are trying to pollute this woman bumbo clot. We don't sing some other blood clot lyrics. No dung in a church. This is not about dung in a church. I don't know mad I know this round here. I don't care which selector, which sound. Me a bad man and no pussy can't do nothing. Hear me?
Together. You two in the Alka, you need to give the man him flowers. Because you know you follow him thing. Give the man him flowers. So the man can give you him flowers. And stop the whole for hype something me done. Sure no start. We need this new music to go to the gold and platinum settings me done. This crab in a bar syndrome, you're not going to reach nowhere me done.
To hype, not a fan of the DJ.
Remember Alkaline never bust off of music. Alkaline bust off of him eyeball. And him take out him eyeball now. So either him have to go cut off him ears, put on a breast, do something to attract the crowd again. So, but he might do good now. Him alright. But based on him hype over the Billboard thing and Cartel album release and top where him did that. So them artists just need to control them ego. Accept what God bless you with. Work with it and stop act like, you understand? Bob do it already. We can't break no more record than what Bob said. Let's go on the music.
Fame.
Alkaline. Him not do no show in Jamaica. Him say him done with Dutty Jamaica and now come back home. We just want to know what that himself and more. See? And people see everyone and say, whoa, that's honesty. We just want to.
And you have kind of spoken out against that, where Alkaline is concerned. And you know, some things say and some back and forth, back and forth. What is your position at this point?
Well, I'm the king of a dancehall, I a different dancehall here, sir. If the people them a dance to your music and sing to your music, people them supposed to say I sing it live here, sir. And this is my point of view, see it? And I don't care if you want Bex if I say you not sing for Jamaican people, see it? Because me I sing for them, so what? I find a better no. This is my point of view. See it? You cannot be bigger than the crowd because the fans make you who you are. So you see it. So all of that is that and it's back in the past, so leave that alone. Yeah.
So, okay, so let's talk about Alkaline.
Yeah.
He was asked to come in and help the police with a murder case.
Investigation.
To answer questions about a case.
Yeah.
And he was held for days.
Yeah.
In fact, the whole weekend.
I think the police feel disrespected because they told him to come in Monday. He didn't come in Monday and then extend until Tuesday. To Wednesday, I'm supposed to turn in 5 o'clock. Then him went Thursday.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think him actually went there when the police actually look for him now.
So you think the police deliberately gave him a hard time?
Well, I feel the police have that as disrespect. If the government come on TV and tell us you need to turn in yourself because they need to ask you a few questions. And you turn in the day when you feel like you want to go in, I feel the government would have that as disrespect.
What do you know about the case?
I don't know nothing about Alkaline or his friends and nothing about it. I don't know the guy. Yeah, I've seen him one time and that's it.
And me cook it and cuss me anytime me tell you this. Alkaline is nothing but a piece of crap. Because as a youth I come from the university and go to college, I'm supposed to teach people better than when I teach. Did he actually go to college?
No, he spent like a year and left.
You're lucky. Me never come in here when I sit down in no class. And him get to sit down in a class in for 1 year and come back out and teach people foolishness. Yeah?
I think about the rumor say him turned out 2.5 million.
A lie. Like not even want to pay me that.
Alkaline.
Alkaline, sir. Who?
Alkaline.
The man about an Alkaline dude Gage. Who that? Is that what it was that?
Alkaline. He's the artist that tattooed eye.
Oh, the black guy you there?
Yes.
One team.
Hey, and career path so far.
Career. Where?
One up.
Career bottom.
Yeah, me kind of flap on something.
You want flap everyone, man. Can't hear one.
I know.
Him can't hear one now. He can't be an upcoming artist. And you get a little buzz, right? And then you start feel you're overdo it. And I say, yo, I told him say everybody else lost. Youth.
I'm kind of insult you when him did say so.
I insult everybody.
Yeah.
Like, you, which part you go? Where you go?
The tattoo shop.
Okay.
One, two little small island. And then half of them are ban him. Where you go? You don't go nowhere. If you attack them with it, dog. Yo, you need to just keep on doing music and just build a thing. You see me? Yeah, this all a man where they in a prison. The people, them artists, like Jamaica, them not give cartel for nothing.
True.
You see me? And you style, man.
And I bite him style too. And nah, admit
the man,
say
everything. The man that sing like him, him a talk like him, him a try to do interview like him, everything. And I hear this the man pan top of it. What do you think I go on? People them are gonna beat you. I don't go on and I don't go on.
You know what?
Right
Probably I think he's being blinded. He can't see.
Yeah,
he's losing
really
his way right now.
see.
Probably. I don't know.
Until him reach home and take out the contacts.
But it was pretty clear to everyone that it was Alkaline who you were referring to. Since then, I've heard you comment on him, and it seems there's something about him which really gets under your skin. Is that correct? And if so, what is it?
Well, he made a statement that Mavada and Ayaptian is the only artist that hot besides him, and everybody else is lost. Everybody has lost. I'm like, you can't say that, dude. Are you gonna say that? Oh, like you disrespect the whole music industry if you say that. Because you have a lot of people that is going places or have been places that you never been before, you never even seen before, dude. That's promoting and spreading reggae and dancehall music all over the world. And you cannot just disrespect people like that on TV because you want to get a hype. Know what I mean? Give people respect where it's due, you know what I mean?
Do you think he's believing his own hype a bit too much?
Yeah, he is. But the thing is that why are you gonna hype if you're in somebody else's image? It's like that's nothing to hype about. You're in Vybz Kartel image. Like, come on. And you're not giving him props for it. That's the thing. You're trying to disrespect Vybz Kartel like everybody, and you bleach out same way. You have the one bag of tattoo them same way. You have the ear now, long ear or Kartel they have, and all of these things. You know what I mean? And try to be like him, try to be rebellious and all of these things. Dude, yo, and then you say you don't take anything from him. The people that will run it down and kill you.
Many people would agree he's used controversy to achieve at least some of his success and popularity. Do you think this was a bad move on his part, or is it an example of clever self-promotion and marketing?
The only bad move that he made is that he didn't give Kartel his props. Because if he did, you would have all the Gaza fans or everybody. But he didn't. You know what I mean? So, a lot of people don't really like him.
Talent-wise, do you think he's got what it takes to stick around in the business and have a successful career over a number of years? Or do you think his success will be short-lived?
You don't know. You see, as an artist and as a musician, I cannot say that because...
Comment for me on Alkaline. What about Alkaline? What's your view on Alkaline? You rate him?
Personally, Alkaline is a talented DJ, but him for just accept the fact that him live in a Vybz Kartel shadow and him a try be Vybz Kartel. Okay. You know what I mean? And him still now come and say him a try be Vybz Kartel. As I say, I no rate Alkaline still. The music bad, but the type of thing them when him sing about as a youth from the street and as a youth we grow in the street and know the street. And that's something with me really I go get up and rail for. You know what I mean? Because we're a street youth.
Gage?
What am I doing at the end of the day? I'm not talking about energy and railway. Isn't it? But I must say I'm a big artist too, you know. I come from the Gaza bloodline, you know them weather. Some fans, I'm different from Alkaline fans. Alkaline just hot and have everybody fans. I have more fans than Alkaline. I have bigger artists with Alkaline. You see me? Almost a 1.5 passport I done already. You know. I got more places in the world than Alkaline. I don't see what Alkaline do, but I don't do. So I don't know when I try to set up like an artist.
But Alkaline now, how is he figured in all of that? Because some say he took his style and whatever from Cartel. But do you see him as part of your family, your bloodline?
No,
Is that the fact that
he's a bloodline. He's stealing Cartel style. It still doesn't make him.
Yeah, Alkaline a great artist, man, but he's a stupid boy. He has no humanity and he's not social.
He's like 27,
antisocial.
Still young.
Yeah, but I'm saying he's acting stupid. But kudos to him, he's a great artist. Me have some Alkaline when I like. The man and the girl, they see me.
Is it the subject matter? When you say like stupid, like is it?
No, I'm talking about personality.
Okay.
Not artistry.
I think he might look at it like, well, nobody done help bust me. So I don't really want
nobody never help bust you. Nobody never help bust me. Alkaline don't rate people. Ask him who inspire him. Everybody has to have some inspiration, unless you're a dead boy or a dead girl, or you're a dead liar. You has to heard music somewhere, something has to play in your head, and then you start to hold on to that.
I feel he wanted to say Cartel early on, but the guys I found him used to try to beat it, but you know, like, oh yeah, I copied this.
You don't want to say because, but don't act like there is not. You understand? Yeah.
I mean, have you and him ever had any conversation?
No.
Not one.
And we're not gonna have none. He said something in music that is forbidden to the culture, and when we disagree and dismiss it, he went out the way and tell me to stop my mother.
Oh.
Yeah, him said the body wash, I dismiss that. And him go sing song and defend it. And then we despise him. And then him went out of the way to tell me suck my mother in my DM. And really? I hold him in a real life, him have to defend that. Yeah.
He sent you a DM?
Yeah. Me diss him on my timeline and him going on my DM and tell me suck my mother. Everybody know about that. All our fans them know. Every man have to stand up to them ranks.
Iman Vado was decent. I don't know if it's still, but decent at a point. You know, well, I guess if there was no relationship there before.
Him all right.
It's hard.
Man. God go with him.
Probably about August.
No, what Cartel forward July. Yeah, Cartel could never forward from prison and me go up on my platform and I say, go on like one. After me no blood clot Alkaline.
Massacre not so bad like Alkaline, you know, cause this man so antisocial in the music and the people them tell, oh, me love him. Oh, me feel love somebody when I help the music. That's why every time I'm not tell me about Alkaline, I always push him aside, you know.
Fresh up the prison and make more money than enough artists when they are road. All you fi compare Alkaline, him and the student to the world boss team.
Popcorn and Alkaline, and every time I never talk this yet, but I'm going to talk it now. I make them understand what they did to the music. Those two, up to this day, when Sting call on them, they never do Sting. Back again, they say they're not doing it. And Sting needed stars you needed headline. They hear Cartel and my brother said they wasn't doing it. I have every star in Jamaica and nobody didn't come. So when we realized say Popcorn and Alkaline were the two leaders and they're not doing the show, it never makes sense to go forward because we know what's going on. So people keep on saying, oh, they want those two. And up to this day, them two man never do a show together yet, nowhere. Them do take no booking together for one reason or the other. And it almost killed the business of show business, dance.
Do you ever anticipate a time when you level the vibes with Alkaline?
I mean, it's a good water. It's very... That's it. Big up Movado.
If he were to acknowledge that there were influences that you brought to bear on his career, would that change things?
Not his career, every career. The same. And once you accept that, you will reach far. If you don't accept that, you're not going nowhere. And that's just the truth.
But do you see a time when, you know, if he says what you think he needs to say?
No, I didn't. I never said what I think he needs to say. I don't care what he wants to say. Like I'm saying, everybody know Cartel set the trend, and If I dress like you, people are gonna know, regardless of if I admit it or not.
So there's no way there can be a kind of accommodation.
No, there's no bad blood either. I'm a grown man. And I'm a changed man. So we hold no grudges.
I know.
An artist named Alkaline.
I know. You said remind me, of course, obviously, it's him. So I know.
Is there an issue there between, because I could never tell.
No,
between
there's no
his
issue.
communication and your communication, and at one point they might tell me, so when I make songs after each other, man,
I've never seen that kid before. I mean, and one of the reasons you just said it too, and that's a good point. The generation that he came up in, they embrace him as their cartel.
Yeah.
So that's why you got a lot of props from them as well. It's not just because he does good songs. They just wanted their own cartel, and they got one.
But you embrace everybody. You embrace Poppy and everybody else.
Yeah.
Why does it seem like, obviously maybe don't come from the Gaza branch, right?
Yeah.
Or the Gaza tree necessarily, as in you had the direct hand on it.
Yeah.
But the style and the whole feel kind of makes people feel like what you gave. Why isn't there, that relationship there? Why do you think?
I mean, I've never given it much thought. To be honest, I've never given it much thought. I mean, I'm not a fan, you know what I mean? I'm just not a fan. But he's cool, he's all right, I guess. But I'm not a fan of that.
So